Next, friends, welcome to IACA. Today we are going to discuss RRB Officer Scale 1 Prelims Grand Test number 57 Reasoning Explanation. Yes, friends, okay. Take your first question. See, there are question number 1 to 5. Question number 1 to 5. There are 7 cells P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V in a almara. Each cell has a different number of rings 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The bottommost shelf is number 1, topmost shelf is part number 7. Yes, friends, okay. Bottommost is part number 1. Next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Top is part 7. Leave. Now each shelf contains different number of rings. Different number of rings. Leave it. Next. Shelf 3 has 2 times the number of rings of V. Now shelf 3 contains twice the rings in V. Twice the rings in V. Leave it. Next one. S does not have more rings than V. That means V is having more rings than S. V is having more rings than S. Next one. So which is means what? V is immediately above U. V is immediately above U. Next one. P is immediately below the self with 4 rings. This one is immediate. Now P is immediately below the self with 4 rings. Next. See here. P is immediately below self with 4 rings. Next. UV is not in self number 3. Friends, check it. UV is not in self number 3. See here. UV is not in self number 3. Next. R is above the self with 9 rings. R is above the self with 9 rings. R is above the self with 9 rings. Leave it. P is in self number 6. Take care. P is in self number 6 and P is in self number 6. If you know about P means what? 4 rings is immediately above P. Otherwise, P is immediately below 4 rings. Next one. Next one is what? Friends, check. Self with 6 rings is 2 cells above the Q. Now, 6 rings is 2 cells above the Q. 6 rings is 2 cells above the Q. Leave it. Next one. Neither P nor U has the 6 rings. Now, P and U does not have 6 rings. Does not have 6 rings. T is immediately below the self with 8 rings. Now, T is immediately below the 8 rings. T is immediately below the 8 rings. Yes, this is the given one. Now, take this point in. V is immediately above U. Take here. V is immediately above U means V and U chance. V and U no chance. U is not in third floor. Now, V and U here also chance. But here the next one is what? Self number 3 contains twice the rings in V. That means here V no chance. Why means self number 3 contains twice the self in V. That means self number 3 is different, V is different. That means V self number 3 no chance. Now V is immediately above. U also chance. That means here chance, here chance. That means there is chance to get 2 possibilities. Take one more possibility this side. Here next one is what? Friends, check it. Now this one is what? Here V, this one is what? Here U. Next here in this case possibility is what? V, this one is what? Here U. V is immediately above U. Here also V is immediately above U. But here V is immediately above U no chance. Why means self number 3 is different and V is different. Yes, leave it. Next one. Take this point. 6 self is 2 self above the 6 rings is 2 self above the Q. 6 rings is 2 self above the Q and suppose. If I take this one is what? Q. This one is what? Q. Now 1, 2. This one is what? 6. Self number 3 contains 6 self. Then V contains 3 self. 3 is not there. Then here no chance. Suppose if I take this one is what? Q. This one is what? Here Q. 1 to this one is what? 6. Now 6 self P and U no chance. Then here no chance. If I take here Q. Now 1 to this one is what? 6 rings. V contains 6 rings. Self number 3 contains twice that of V. That means here 3 contains 12 self. 2 into V. V is 6. 2 into 6 is what? 12. But 12 is also not there. That means this possibility is simply wrong. This possibility is simply wrong. Now, in this case, if I take here Q, 1 to here 6 chance. Here Q means 1 to 6, no chance. Why means P does not contain 6 ring. That means take this one is part. Here Q, 1 to this one is part. Here 6, this one is part 6. Next one. Friend, next one is part. Now, friends, here. Now, friends, here. 4 rings completed. 4 rings completed. Next one is what? Here. 6 rings also completed. 6 rings also completed. Now, what are the given rings? Once take here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next one is what? Here 10. 4 rings completed. Next one is what? 6 rings is completed. Now U contains twice that of V. U contains twice that of V. That means now twice means what? For V possibilities are here twice 8 and 10. 8 and 10. Suppose friends, check here. If I take V is 5. V is 5. Now Q is what? 10. Q contains twice that of V. Q contains twice that of V. Self number 3 contains twice that of V. Yes, this is the possibility. Yes. Now 5 and 10 also completed. 5 and 10 also completed. Next one. Friends, the given is what? See here. Self number S contains less number of cells than V. That means V contains more than S. So here the given is what? S contains, see here, S does not have more than V. S does not have more than V means now V contains 5 rings. V contains 5 rings means then compulsory S contains 4 rings. Then S possibility is what? This is the possibility for yes. Now S contains 4 rings. S contains 4 rings. Next. Next one is what? The given is what? T is immediately below the 8 rings. T is immediately below the 8 rings. Only possibility is what? Friends, check here. So friends, if I take here 8, T no chance. Then this one is what? 8. Now this one is what? T. T is immediately below the 8 rings. T is immediately below the 8 rings. Next. 9 rings is below the R. Then this one is what? 9 ring. This one is what? Here R. Now R contains remaining rings is 1. Remaining is what? 7. Remaining is what? 7. Yes. This is the given information. Now take your question. See here. Question number 1. T has dash rings. T has how many rings here? 6 rings. Question number 1. Option C. Question number 2. How many cells are between U and cell with 7 rings? U and 7 rings. U, this one is what? 7 rings. How many cells are there? 2 cells. Question number 2. Option B. Friends, check it. Question number 2. Answer is what? Option B. Friends, check here. Question number 3. Find the odd one. Find the odd one. Check once. Friends, Q contains how many cells here? 10 cells. Even. T contains 6 cells. Even. R contains here 7 cells. Odd. Next one, S contains, friends, check it. S contains here even. S contains here even. U contains here 9. Here 9. Then here odd and even means no chance. Odd and even means what? No chance. Yes. That means now take care of positions. Anything is top and ending like that? No. S and U top and ending. Then take here middle. Take here middle. Middle one is what? R. Middle one is what? R. Otherwise, friends, check here. Here only R contains prime number. Only R contains prime number. Remain not contains prime number. By using this one, we are able to conclude option C. Otherwise, here R is exactly middle. Remaining is not it. This logic we are not going to apply. See here. Odd one out means now, friends, check here for 10, 6, here next one is what? 4 and 9. Here we are having factors, but here 7 is a prime number. So this is the odd one out. So option C and D. Next one. Question number 4. R is dash cells above self with 9 rings. R is dash cells above self with 9 rings. 1, 2, 3. That means here 3 cells. That means answer is what? Option A. Sum of the total rings in U or V. U contains 9. R contains 7. V contains now. V contains 5. Total is what? 21. Total is what? 21. Answer is what? Option C. Question number 6. Which of the following is the possible code for proper system whistle? Yes, friends, check here. Take care. Proper and take care. Proper. Friends, proper is present in which lines? Here we are having proper. Here also we are having proper. Next one is what? First, second line, third line. N1 are there. TV, MR also there. But MR is present in here also means no chance. Then answer is what? Here TV. Next one, take whistle. Here whistle. Here whistle. Here whistle. Then MR. That means one is what? MR. System. Next one is what? Here system. System is present in which lines? First line are there. Second line not there. Third line also not there. Fourth line not there. That means one new code. TVMR should be present. One new code should be present. TVMR not there. Next TVMR not there. Now TVMR is there. UR is present. UR is present. Then this one no chance. TVMR FT. FT is present. No. Then this is the answer. This is the answer. See here. Proper whistle. These two are the codes. But system is not there. Then answer is what? New code. Answer is what? New code. Yes. Suppose if you are in a doubt, check for this one. TVMR, SM is already present. No chance. Then answer is what? Option D. Question number 7. Which of the following is the code for NO, KK? NO, KK. Yes, friends, check here. NO1. Suppose check here. NO. NO is present in which lines? Only second line. Then leave it. Whistle. Friends, check here. Whistle, eliminate. Next one. Proper, eliminate. That means here this one is what? Report. Yes. N1 is what? Report. Next one is what? KK. Here KK, here KK. First line, last line. Coming list. Friends, check here. List here also there. That means list no chance. That means here. So friends, here coming. Here also we are having coming. That means answer is what? Report coming. Answer is what? Report coming. So coming report. Answer is what? Option C. Question number 7. C. What is the possible code for report list between proper tracks? Now friends, check here. Report. Friends, report is present in which line? Friends, check here. Report is present in only this line, yes one check only here and sige. Report is present in only this line. Now friends check. That means only information is report, only code. NO, next TV, M, that means here N1. That means report code is what? NO. List. Next one is what? List and next one is what? List. Here we are having list, here also we are having list, here also we are having list. Then first line, tall line. SM, here we are having SM. That means this one is what? Here, SM. Next, between. Here, between is there. Yes, there. Friend check here. SM is eliminated. Next one is what? UR, KK. KK here also present. Then UR here, between. Only information is what? Between. Only code is what? UR. Next one. Proper. Next one is what? Proper. Here we are having proper. Here also we are having proper. Then common code. So friends here TV, here TV, MR, here MR, here MR, here MR. That means MR no chance. Then answer is part TV. Next tracks. Next one is part tracks. Track is present in which lines? Track is not there. Track is not there. Then new code. Then new code. So NO should be present. So NO first one not there. Second one NO is there. UR is there. TV is there. NO next TV also there. Next one is one. SM. Yeah, SM is not there means for this one no chance. Next NO UR. Next SM is there. TV is there. YT. YT is present in our codes. Not there. Then this is the only answer. Why means tracks is not there. New information, new code is what? YT. So answer is option C. Question number 9. Which of the following is the code for between and between code? We already calculated. Sige. Here only information is what? Between. Only information is what? Here between and sige. Only information is what? Between. Now only code. Here SM eliminate, KK eliminate. Then answer is what? UR. Answer is what? UR. So answer is what? UR and answer is what? UR. So question number 9 answer is option D. Question number 10. What is the code for visual report? Yes, friend check. Here visual, friend check. Here visual, here also visual. Then so here MR. So visual means what? MR. Report. Friends, one check here report. Report is present in only second line. Only second line. TV, then answer is what? NO. MR, NO means answer is what? Option C. Question number 10, option C. Question number 11 to 15. 8 persons A to H are sitting around a circular table at equal distance between each other, but not necessarily in the same order. Some of them are facing toward the center and some facing outside. Yes, friends, check here. So friends, total here we are having 8 members. Out of 8 members, some of them is facing inside and some of them is facing outside. Leave it. Next one. So B is far right of E, who faces from the center, who faces away from the center. That means here E is facing away from the center. E is facing away from center. B is far right of E. For E, first right, second right, third right is part B. Next, only one person is between B and F. B, one person have chance. B, one person have also chance. That means there is chance to get 2 possibilities. Take here one more possibility. Total here we are having 8 members. Some of them is facing inside, some is facing outside. E is facing outside. E is facing outside. B is star right of E. B is star right of E. Next, one person is between B and F. B, one person F. Here chance. Now B, one person F. Here also chance. Leave it. Next one. Both immediate neighbors of F is away from the center. Immediate neighbors of F are facing outside. Here also immediate neighbors of F are facing outside. Yes, leave it. Next one. Only 3 persons are sitting between G and H. Between G and H, here we are having 3 members. Here we are having 3 members. Then possibilities are 3 members means they given total 8 members. 3 members means opposite. G and H no chance. G and H no chance. This is the possibility for G and H. Next one. Next point is what? G is not neighbor of B. That means for G here no chance. This is the possibility for G. This one is what? Here H. G and H both are opposite. G is not neighbor of B. Between G and H, 3 members means here possibility is what? This is the only possibility. But G is not neighbor of B. G is not neighbor of B. This one is what? G. This one is what? Here H. This one is what? Here H. Leave it. Next one. Friend, next point is what? Both the immediate neighbors of D facing towards the center. Immediate neighbors of D are facing the center. Immediate neighbors of D are facing the center. If I take here D, center no. D here, center no. This is the possibility for D. Immediate neighbors of D are facing center. Now both immediate neighbors of D are facing center. If I take here D, no chance. Here chance, here also chance. Leave it. Next one. D is not immediate neighbor of G. D is not neighbor of G. D is not neighbor of G means here no chance, here no chance. This is the possibility for D. Both immediate neighbors of D are facing center. This one is inside, this one also inside. Leave it. Next one. So friends, again, next one is for both the immediate neighbors of. Next point is what? Both immediate neighbors are C facing towards the center. Both immediate neighbors of C are facing toward the center. If I'll take here C, both are facing inside no. C here, inside no. Then this possibility is wrong. Both immediate neighbors of C are facing towards center. Here, no chance. This one is part. C, both are facing inside. Possibility. Next one. Both immediate neighbors of E facing opposite direction of G. Both immediate neighbors of E facing opposite of G. G is inside, then these two are facing outside. This is the given one. Take care. Question number 11. Sige. Question number 11 is what? Who said second right of H? Who said second right of H and second right of H? 1, 2, D. Answer is what? D. So question number 11 answer is option A. Question number 12. Who sits opposite to C? Opposite to C is what? F. Then answer is what? Option D. Question number 2. Option D. Question number 13. Who sits far left of A? Who sits far left of A? Now remaining person is what? A and remaining person is what? Here A. Our requirement is what? Who sits far left of A? 1, 2, 3. D. So question number 13 answer is option C. Question number 14. Dash and dash are immediate numbers of E. Immediate numbers of E. F and A. F and A. Answer is what? F and A. A and F. Option B. Question number 15. Find the odd one. A is facing outside. E is facing outside. H is facing outside. F is facing outside. C is facing inside. This is the odd one. So out of given 5, 4 are facing outside, 1 is facing inside. Question number 16 to 17. Question number 16 to 17. Sige. P plus Q means what? P is father of Q. P minus Q means what? QV is sister of P. Reverse. QV is sister of P. P star Q means what? QV is brother of P. P percentage Q means what? QV is husband of P. Leave it. In the given expression, Q plus R. Q plus R means what? Plus means what? Forward only. QV is father of R. QV is father of R. R minus S. Minus means what? Reverse. R minus S means what? S is sister of R. S is sister of R. Next one. S percentage M. S percentage M is what? M is husband of S. M is husband of S. Next one. M star N. That means here N is brother of M. N is brother of M. Question is what? Then how M is related to R? How M is related to R? Answer is what? Brother-in-law. So answer is option C. Question number 17. Which of the following expressions shows that A is brother of C? A is brother of C means now A is compulsory male. A is compulsory male. Now, friends, check here. A plus means what? A is father. That means here there is a chance. Here there is a chance. Here also A plus A is father. Here also chance. Next here D star A. That means here A is here also chance. Then you should check each and every option. Check here. First option. A plus B. A plus B means what? A is father of B. A is father of B. Next B minus C means what? Here C is sister of B. Then in this case, don't take entire. Don't take entire. By reason is what? A is brother of C. No. Then first option no chance. Second option. See A plus B minus C both are same. Then second option also no chance. Go for third option. Third option is what? B plus D. B plus D means what? B is father of D. B is father of D. D star A. A is brother of D. A is brother of D. Next one is what? A minus C means what? C is sister of A. C is sister of A. In this case, A is brother of C. Yes or no? Then answer is what? Option C. Question number 17. Option C. Question number 18. There are 7 members in a two generations family in which 2 married couples. Yes. Totally here we are having 2 generations, then 2 couples. A is sister of B. Friends, check. A is sister of B. A is sister of C. A is sister of B. Next, who has only one son? A. Who has means what? Friends, check. A is sister of B. Next, B. Who is the only son of E? C. B is the only son of E and B is the only son of E. Yes, friends, here. A is sister of B and B is the only son of E. Leave it. C has 3 children. C has 3 children. Yes, leave it. Next one is what? D is brother-in-law of B. D is brother-in-law of B. So D is brother-in-law of B means possibility is what? Spouse brother. Otherwise, yeah, sister's husband. Suppose I will take this one. D is brother-in-law of B. D is brother-in-law of B. Next one is what? G is father-in-law of F. G is father-in-law of F. Next, who is the child of C? Who is the child of C? That means here, F is the child of C and F is the child of C means this one is compulsory F only. This one is compulsory F only. Why means totally here we are having 2 generations. So F is child of C. That means here E and C both are couples. E and C both are couples. Next one is what? Friends, here F is child of C. A is sibling of F. Now A is sibling of F. Who is daughter of E? Who is means what? F is daughter of E. F is daughter of E. Next, E is not the wife of G. E is not wife of G. Here, E and C are couples. E and C are couples. Next one, how C is related to G? How C is related to G? Now, friends, check here. Now, previously I mentioned is what? G is the father-in-law of F. G is the father-in-law of F. So, friends, here G is the father-in-law of F and G is the father-in-law of F means now F having husband. This husband father is what? G. G is the father-in-law of F. G is the father-in-law of F. Now check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then don't take here D this side. Now take this one is what? Here D. D is brother-in-law of B. D is brother-in-law of B. Now this is the given one. Now question is what? How C is related to G? How C is related to G? But what the gender of C? We don't know. The answer is what? Cannot be determined. Why means we don't know the gender of C. Question number 19. In a certain code language, delivery. Yes, friend, check here. DELIVERY. Delivery stands for see here GCO GYCUB. Then how? Next, gift stands for that one. Then how? Here, sympathy. SYM. Symphony. Sorry, symphony is coded. Yes, friend, check here. Now, friends, see here. Check one's logic. Here D, this one is what? G means what? Plus 3. E, C means what? Minus 2. LO means what? That means plus 3. Plus 3, minus 2, plus 3. Next one. I, this one is what? Here G. This one is what? Here G. This one is what? Here minus 2. VY means what? This one is what? Plus 3. This one is what? Plus 3. EC means what? Minus 2. R and U means what? Here plus 3. Plus 3. Next one is what? Minus 2. Y minus 2? No. This one is what? Here. This one also plus 3. Friends, here by seeing first 2, don't take the logic and plus 3 minus 2 like that. That means this one is what? Consonant means what? Plus 3. Vowel means what? Minus 3. Friends, here in this case, if it is a vowel, minus 2 1. Consonant means what? Here. Consonant means what? Here. Plus 3. Vowel means what? Minus 2. Check here. Consonant plus 3. Vowel is what? Minus 2. Consonant plus 3. Vowel is what? Minus 2. In the same manner. Consonant plus 3. Now, S plus 3 is what? Here. 19 plus 3. 22. 22 means what? Here. V. Next one is what? Here. Y plus 3. Y. Next one is what? Z. A. B. That means here. B. M plus 3. M plus 3 is what? 16. 16 means what? P. P plus 3 is what? 19. Yes. H plus 3 is what? 11. That means here. K. Vowel. Vowel means what? Minus 2. That means O minus 2 is what? 13. M. Now, N plus 3. 17. Q. Y plus 3 is what? B. So, vowel means minus 2. Consonant means plus 3. Then check one's answer. VB, PSK. VB. Next, PSK, MQB. Answer is what? Option C. Question number 19. Option C. Question number 20. How many such pairs of letters are there in the word qualitative? Yes, friend, check here. Given word is what? Qualitative. QUA. Next one is what? Here. LITA TIVE. Yes, friend, check here. So both forward and reverse. Check here. In alphabetical form, after Q, what will come? Next one is what? Q. Next, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. No. After U, V. After U is then letter, not there. See here. U here, V here, no chance. Then leave it. Next, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I know. After L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, no. After I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Next, after T, U, V, W, no. After A, B, C, D, E. Friends, check A to E. A to E. Next one. T, if one is what? U, V. That means T to V. T to V. Next one. I, J, K. After V, no. That means forward 2 pairs. Take reverse. After E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. That means here E to L. L, M, N, O. Next, V. After V, there is no letter. Leave it. After I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. See here. I to Q and friends check. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. That means here I to Q. I to Q. Next, after T, no letter. Leave it. Next, after A, B, C, D, no. After T, no letter. See here. T. Next, U here only. Next, I, J, K, L, M, no. L, no. After A, no. After U, no. That means forward to, reverse to. Answer is part 4. Question number 20, option A. Question number 21 to 25, friends check. 9% A to I, 9% A to I are sitting in a straight row facing north with equidistance between them, but not necessarily in the same order. Next. So friends, totally here we are having 9 members are facing north and leave it. Now 3% sits to the left of here. Friends, take here, total 9 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 members. Yes, now 3% sits to the left of here. Then the funny spot here, F. All are facing north and no need to mention. All are facing north. Now 3% are sitting to the left of F. Leave it. 1% sit between F and G. Now F 1% G, F 1% G also chance. All are facing same direction means two possibilities means one is down, other one is up. Now F 1%. This one is G. Now this one is spot F 1% this one is spot here G. Between F and G here we are having one member. Yes, leave it. 3% sit between C and I. Leave it. G is far left of C. G is far left of C. In this case, upside, G is far left of C. This one is spot C. First left, second left, far left. In down case, G is far left of C. This one is spot here C. First left, second left, far left. Yes. If you know about C means before point is spot. 3% sit between C and I. C 1, 2, 3. This one is spot here I. Now C 1, 2, 3 I. C 1, 2, 3 I. Here also chance. That means for I here there is chance to take. Next for I here also there is chance to take. Yes, leave it. Next point. A is sits second right of the one who sits exactly in the middle of the row. So 9 members exactly middle means what? Fifth position. A is second right of A friends here. The given is what? A is second right of sige. A sits second right of the one who sits exactly middle. Middle means this one is what? Middle. A is second right. Now up case also this is the exactly middle. Now A is the second right. A is the second right. Yes, leave it. Number of persons sitting between IZ is same as sige. Is same as number of persons sitting between IZ is same as number of persons sitting to the left of B. Left of B. Now friends, between I and G, how many persons here we are having? No member. Then left of B also no member. Left of B also no member. Suppose if I take here I and G, no member. Left of B, no member means here no chance. Suppose if I take here I, between G and I, how many persons here we are having? 6 member. Then left of I also 6 member. Sorry, left of B also 6 members. 3, 6 here B, no chance. Then up possibilities, no chance. Up possibilities, no chance. Leave it. Next one. D is immediate neighbor of H and F. D is immediate neighbor of H and F. D is immediate neighbor of F and immediate neighbor of H. Yes. Now remaining one is what? A comes to that, remain B. Next C. D remaining is what? Here. E remaining is what? Here. E. Yes. Take your question. Question number 21. Who among the following person sets fourth right of F? Fourth right of F. 1, 2, 3, 4. E. Question number 21. Option A. Question number 22. How many persons sit between A and D? Between A and D, how many persons are there? F, I, G. 3 members. Then answer is what? Option C. Question number 23. Find the odd one. B, D. Friends, B and D, 1% gap. 1% gap. H and F. H and F, 1% gap. I and E. I and E, 2% gap. I and A, 1% gap. F and G, 1% gap. Then answer is what? Option C. Why means first person, second person gap is 1, but option C different. Next. Question number 24. Number of persons sit to the left of F. Left of F is what? 3 members. Is how many more than number of persons sits to the right of A? Right of A 2 members. That means 1 more than. Yes, again. Number of persons sits to the left of F is what? 3 members. It is 1 more than number of persons sitting to the right of A. So answer is what? Option B. Question number 25. What is the position of E with respect to D? Position of E with respect to D. First right, second right, third right, fourth right, fifth right. Answer is what? Fifth to the right, option C. Question number 26 to 30. Sige. 7 parcels of different companies, Samsung, Sony, Myntra, Amazon, Bajaj, Titan and Apple are placed one above another but not necessarily in the same order. Apple is not placed at the top. Now Apple is not at the top. Titan parcel is placed above the Samsung parcel but not at the top. 3 parcels are placed between Amazon parcel and Sony parcel. Equal number of parcels are placed above and below the Myntra. Take this one. Equal number of parcels are placed above and below the Myntra. That means Myntra is exactly middle. So friends, check it. Totally here we are having 7 parcels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parcels. Now Myntra is exactly middle. Myntra is exactly middle. Why means above Myntra is same as below also Myntra same. So friends, check it. Number of parcel above and below the Myntra is same. Yes, leave it. If you know about Myntra means now any clue points? Friends, check it. Next one, check it. Next point. More than one parcel is placed between Samsung and Titan. Samsung is partially placed below the Amazon parcel, but not immediately below. One parcel is placed between Sony and Myntra. Sony and Myntra, one parcel. Myntra one, Sony chance. Myntra one, Sony also chance. That means there is chance to get two possibilities. Take here. 1, 2, 3. Different spot here. Myntra. Next 1, 2, 3. Now between Sony and Myntra, one parcel. Now Myntra one different spot here. Sony different spot here. Sony. Next Myntra one different spot here. Sony different spot here. Sony. Yes, leave it. Next one. Friends, if you know about Sony means then three parcels are placed between Amazon and Sony. Now Sony 1, 2, 3 different spot. Amazon different spot here. Amazon. Now Sony 1, 2, 3 different spot here. Amazon different spot here. Amazon. Yes, leave it. Next one. Friends, if you know about Amazon means any clue point, friends, check it. Samsung parcel is placed below the Amazon parcel but not immediately below. Samsung is below the Amazon but not immediately. Then this possibility is no chance. Samsung is below the Amazon but not immediate. That means here no chance means here Samsung chance, here also Samsung chance, here Samsung chance, next here also Samsung chance. Yes, leave it. Next one. Apple parcel is not placed at the top. Now Apple is not at the top. Apple is not at the top. Next one is what, friends, again. Titan parcel is not placed above the Samsung. See here, Titan parcel is placed above the Samsung but not on the top. Now Titan is above the Samsung. Titan is above the Samsung. So but not the top one, but not that top. That means here Titan top also no chance. Titan top also no chance. Now Samsung here means Titan chance. Here Samsung means here Titan chance. Next one. Often next one is what? See, more than one parcel is placed between Samsung and Titan. So between Samsung and Titan here we are having more than one. That means minimum we are having two parcels. Suppose if I take Samsung means what? Titan is above Samsung. Here chance. Titan and Samsung only one. But our requirement is what? More than one. That means if I take this one is what? Samsung. This one is what? Here Samsung. This one is Samsung means now this one I will take this one is what? Titan. This one is what? Here Titan. Between Samsung and Titan here we are having more than one parcel. Now Apple is not at the top. This is the possibility for Apple. Now remaining is what? Bajaj. Now Bajaj is at the top. Yes, this is the given one. Take question number 26. Which of the following parcel is placed at the top? Bajaj. Question number 26. Answer is what? Option A. Question number 27. If the places of the Samsung and Amazon parcels are interchanged. Samsung, Amazon. So friends, say this one is what? Amazon. This one is what? Amazon. Now this one is what? Samsung. Then which of the following parcel is placed immediately below the Samsung? Immediately below the Samsung is what? Titan. So question number 27. Answer is what? Option D. Question number 28. How many parcels are placed above the Apple? Above the Apple, how many parcels are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then answer is what? Option A. Question number 28. Option A. Question number 29. What is the position of Titan parcel? Titan parcel position. Start from the top. Option is there? Not there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth from the bottom. Answer is what? Option C. Question number 29. Option C. Question number 30. Find the odd one. Bajaj Titan. One gap. Samsung Sony. Neighbors. Sony Myntra. One gap. Apple Samsung. One gap. Titan Apple. One gap. Then answer is what? Samsung Sony. Why means for remaining one gap is there, but Samsung and Sony both are immediates. Question number 31 to 33. Here the again question is from inequality. Take here given statement. See here. A DA is less than or equal to M greater than or equal to K greater than S greater than or equal to W. Next one. First one and last one common is for D. D less than or equal to M greater than or equal to P. That means here a P is less than or equal to M, P is less than or equal to M is greater than or equal to D, M greater than or equal to D. Next one is what? VSL. Now V is greater than or equal to S greater than or equal to L. This is the given statement. Take first conclusion P and S. P and S less is what? Less than or equal to greater than. Next, that means both are opposite. Can't say. First one is what? Wrong. D and L. Next one D and L less is what? Less than or equal to greater than or equal to greater than or equal to. Less than or equal to greater than or equal to opposite. Can't say. Answer is what? Neither one nor two. Option D. Question number 32, friends, here take here given statement. R less than or equal to S less than M less than or equal to X. So first one, second one common is what? B, Z, R. Now, friends, here. B greater than or equal to Z greater than R. Next one, M greater than F. M greater than F. Yes. Take first conclusion, B and M. B and M here, what are the symbols here? Both are opposite. Both are opposite. Can't say. X and F. Less than or equal to less than. So F less than X. X greater than F. But greater than or equal to F also wrong. Then answer is what? Neither one nor two. 32. Option D. 33. Take here given statement. K is greater than or equal to Q greater than or equal to D greater than G. Now common is what? Friends, again. Q. Next one is what? Q less than or equal to C. Next one is what? Less than or equal to L. J less than T. Friends, again. J less than T. Take care. J is less than T. T is less than D. Yes, leave it. Take first conclusion. D and L. D and L relation is what? L greater than or equal to C. Greater than or equal to Q. Greater than or equal to D. Greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So L greater than or equal to D, then D less than or equal to L. First one is 2. J and L, J and L. L greater than or equal to C, greater than or equal to Q, greater than or equal to D, greater than T, greater than J. That means L is greater than J. L is greater than J. That means J is less than L, but they given greater than L. Then wrong. The answer is what? Only one follows. Question number 34 to 36. See, 6%. They given question is from data sufficiency. One, check whether we are able to solve or not. No need to get the answer. Now see, 6% K, R, H, M, L and P attend the class in a week starting from Monday and ends on Sunday. End on Saturday. So Monday here, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes, leave it. Next one. Which of the following person attend the class immediately after P? Immediately after P. Take one alone. R attend the class before Wednesday. That means Tuesday chance, Monday also chance. Leave it. Yes, many persons attend the class before R. Yes, after M. Before R, 1. After M also 1. Before R, no one. After M also no one. Next one. More than 3 persons attend the class between L and H. Between L and H here we are having more than 3. That means possibilities are. This one is what? L or H. This one is what? H or L. In this case, more than 3 means what? Minimum 4 members between L and H. No chance. This possibility is no. Next one. K attends. Next one is what? K attends the class before P. K is before P. K is before P. This is the given one. Then who attends? Question is what? Which are the following person attend the class immediately after P? Immediately after P is what? M. That means one alone we are able to conclude answer. We are able to conclude answer. That means here one alone is sufficient. One alone is sufficient. Next, suppose and check here. They given one alone. Next, either one or two are also alone. That means go for 2 and go for here 2. 2 persons attend the class between M and R. Now see here. The starting is what they given Monday. Next one is what? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes, leave it. Now between M and R here we are having 2 members. Now M1 to R, otherwise M1 to different spot here R. Next, H attend the class before R. H is before R. We don't know. Next, as many persons attend the class before K, after P. Before K, after P. Yes, friends, check it. But friends, check it. Here we don't know about. See, M1 to R, otherwise R. M1 to M1. See, M1 to R, otherwise R1 to different spot here M. Our requirement is what? H attends before R. That means here chance, here also chance. Here means before R means what? Here chance, here also chance. Next one is what? As many person between K after P. Here we don't know about exact positions and we don't know about exact position. Then 2 alone is not sufficient. That means answer is what? Only 1 alone. Question number 34. Answer is what? Option A. 1 alone is sufficient. Question number 35. 8 persons PQRST, VL and M are sitting around a circular table facing the center. How many persons between R and P when counted from left of P? Left of P. Yes, leave it. So are facing toward the center. Yes, friends, here. Totally here we are having 8 members. All are facing toward the center. Leave it. T is second left of R. Now T is second left of R. Next 2 persons between L and M. Next L and M are not immediate neighbors of R. Now L and M are not neighbors of R. Next one is what? Only one person between P and S. P does not sit up. Sorry. This one neither L nor M is immediate neighbor of R. Yes. VA is immediate left of Q. VA is immediate left of Q1. See here. First point is what? T is second left of R. Two persons between L and M. Between L and M, two members, but L and M are not neighbors of R. Suppose here L means 1 to different spot. Here M chance. Otherwise here also chance. Suppose here L means 1 to no chance. Here no chance. L here means what? 1 to here chance. Here also chance. But the mention is what? L and M are not neighbors of R. That means this is the only possibility. This is the only possibility. Next, V is immediate left of Q and V is immediate left of Q. This is the only possibility. See here. V is immediate left of Q. V is immediate left of Q. Leave it. By using one alone, how many persons in between R and P? We don't know about P position. Leave it. Now go for 2 alone. 2 alone means what? Here we know about Q, we know L, we know T. Next, see here. Q we know. Next, L. Next, T. Next one is what? P. Next one is what? Here, yes. Next one is what? Here we know about. We don't know about R and M. Otherwise, take here 2 alone. Q is star right of L. Q is star right of L. So friends, here Q is star right of L means suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Q is star right of L. 1, 2, different spot here Q. Q is star right of L. T and L are immediate neighbors. T and L are immediate neighbors. Here T chance. Next here also T chance. Only one person is between P and S. Between P and S here we are having 1%. P is not opposed to V. P and S 1% means what? Here P. If I take here 1% S chance. Here also chance. Here we are having more possibility. That means 2 L also we can't say. Now combine both. Combine here both. Now this one is what? Here L. Our requirement is what? Q is Q sets star right of L. Q is star right of L. So friends, here in this case Q is star right of L, but in this case Q is what? Yeah, second right. That means no chance to get and no chance to get. See here. If here Q is star right of L, they given here Q is star right of L. But in this case for Q possibility is what? Second right of L, otherwise immediate left of L. That means it is not matching. If it is not matching means by combining 2 also we are not able to answer. Then answer is what? Neither 1 nor 2. 1 not sufficient, 2 also not sufficient. Question number 36. 7% LAH, R, S, T and M are sitting in a row facing north. Who sits extreme right hand? Who sit extreme right hand? Total 7 members. Take care. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 members. Now, 2 persons between H and S. Next, more than 3 persons between L and M. Next, L sits left of H. M does not sit at extreme end. 2 persons between R and T. A is immediate left of R. Now, friends, here the next one is for 2 persons between H and S. Now, next one, more than 3 persons are sitting between L and M. More than 3 means what? Minimum 4 members. Between L and M, minimum we are having 4 members. See here. Suppose if I take here L means 1, 2, 3, 4 different spot. M. Suppose here if I take different spot, L means 1, 2, 3, 4 different spot. Here M. Next, suppose if I take here M, no chance. Why means M is not at extreme end. M is not at extreme end. Suppose if I take here M means 1, 2, 3, 4. Here L chance. That means there is chance to get one more possibility. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If L is different spot, M means 1, 2, 3, 4 different spot. Here L. Between M and L, here we are having more than 3% now. L is left of H. L is sitting left of H. Is there any chance? No. Now, in this case, L is left of H. Possibility. Next one. So friends, here L is left of H. M does not sit extreme. Now, 2 persons in between R and T. Next, A is immediate left of R and A is immediate left of R. Friends, A is immediate left of R and A is immediate left of R. If I take A is immediate left of R, between R and T, 2 members, no chance. Next, A is immediate left of R. Suppose A is immediate left of R, between R and T, 2 member chance. A is immediate left of R. Suppose if I take here, A is immediate left of R and T here, 2 members here also chance. Here also chance. Next one. Next one is what? L is left of H and L is left of H. Next one is for 2 persons in between H and S. 2 persons in between H and S. 2 persons in between H and S means now in this case and H or S. This one is what? S or H. S or H. If I take this possibility means this one is what? Here L. See here. This one is A, this one is what? Here R, this one is what? Here M. Now, our requirement is what? Two persons between S and H. Is there any chance? No. That means a possibility, no chance. That means if this is the only possibility, and this is the only possibility. Now, who is extreme right hand? Answer is what? T. That means one alone we are able to answer. We are able to answer. That means one alone is sufficient. One alone is sufficient. Yes. Check for two alone. Check for here two alone. Two alone is what? S sits left of H. As many, that means S is left of H. We don't know. As many persons sits to left of S, sits to right of A. But left of S we don't know. Right of A also don't know. More than two persons sit between T and R. More than one person and more than one person means what? Minimum here we are having two members between T and R. That means here there is no exact information. There is no exact information. See here. S is left of H and S is left of H. As many persons sits to the left of A, sits to right of A. But we don't know about S exact positions. We don't know about position. Then two alone we can't say. Two alone we can't say. Yes. When data sufficiency means don't solve the question. We are able to answer or not. Our requirement is what? We require L, A, H, R, S, T, M. That means total 7 members required. Here we know S, H we know. Next one is what? S we know. Next one is what? A we know. T and R we know. That means we don't know about. Here we don't know about L. We don't know about L. At the same time, we don't know about M. We don't know about M. That means we can't send. Even we don't know about T also. Here we know about T. Okay, leave. So here positions we don't know. Then simply second one, no chance. That means answer is what? Only one. Only one means answer is what? Option A. Question number 37 to 40. The again question is from syllogism. Logically follow. That means here true conclusions. Take here first one. Only few stumps are balls. Friends, take here. Take here stumps. Some stumps are ball. At the same time, some part of stump is a not ball. Next one. Only few, some balls are ribbon, some ball is a ribbon, some ball is a ribbon, some ribbon is a balloon, some ribbon is a balloon. Take first conclusion. All ribbon are stump is a possibility. All ribbon are stump. Friends, say ribbon and stump relation is what? Can't say. Then relation is what? Possibility is true. Possibility is true. Ribbon and stump relation is what? Here we can't say. Then assumption is true. Some stumps are not ball. Some stump is a not ball. Yes. Second one also true. Then answer is what? Both are true. Option D. Question number 38. Only few fan are AC. That means some fan is AC. Some fan is AC. At the same time, some part of fan is not AC. No AC is a cooler. No AC is a cooler. Next, all cooler are machines. All cooler are here mission. All cooler are here mission. Conclusion number one, some cooler are not fan. Some cooler is a not fan. Friends, here some cooler is not fan. Cooler and fan we can't say. Then first one is what? Can't say. Next one. All ACR fan is a possibility. All ACR fan is a possibility. Yes. We know some part of fan is not AC. Remaining fan and AC we can't say. That means AC there is chance to keep. In this part, all AC can be fan. But all fan can be AC means wrong. Why means already some part of fan is not AC. But the mention is what? All ACR fan is a possibility. Correct. Then answer is what? Only two. Only two means answer is what? Option B. 38. Option B. Question number 39. Only few students are teacher. Now friends check here. Students. Take here. Students. Some students are teacher. Some students are here teacher. At the same time, some part of student is a not teacher. No teacher is a leader. No teacher is a leader. All leaders are boys. All leaders are boy. Conclusion number one, some students are not boys, some students are not boys. Friends, here we know no teacher is a leader. No teacher is a leader means in teacher student is some part of student is not leader. If boy is inside means some part of student is not leader, some part of student is not boy. But here boy is outside. Outside means what? We can't say. Next one, all boy or student is a possibility. All boy or student is a possibility. Yes, friends, check it. All boy or student is a possibility. That means here I can able to draw like this leader, this all boy or student is a possibility. Yes, that means here second one is 2. That means answer is what? Only 2. Question number 39, option B. Question number 40. All lab is a classroom. Friend, check here. Lab, this all lab is a classroom. All lab is a classroom. Yes, friend, check here. A classroom. Yes. Next one is what? Only few classroom is a ground. Some classroom is a ground. At the same time, some part of classroom is not ground. Next one, all ground is a canteen. Ground, this all ground is a canteen. All ground is a canteen. Take first conclusion, some classroom are ground. Yes, first one is true. Second one, all lab can be canteen. All lab can be canteen. Lab and canteen relation is what? Can't say. Then assumption is true. Then answer is what? Both are true. Both are true means option D. Question number 40, option D.